Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PowerSchool how to store grades. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In the PowerSchool mobile app, students and parents cannot store or manually enter grades. The app is read-only for grades. So in order to store grades, what you need to do is simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in powerschool.com, and then once you're inside there, from the tab simply enter your Power Teacher Pro credentials and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, go to the grading menu. Then in the menu, select score sheet or assignments to enter the grades. Now to store or report grades, all you gotta do is go to grading, then select post grades and write in the term name. Then enter the grades for each student in the final grade field. Then simply click on save or post grades based on your district's configuration. Some schools auto-calculate final grades from assignments, others require manual posting. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.